Hello, this is Dr. Oz. In this video, I would like to go over some statistics functions using Excel. So first of all, please log into your Blackboard to be able to download this data. And you can see if you scroll down under Define Applied Statistics, you should be able to see 1-2 coin toss market game data. I would like to download this data, click on it. Then look at this download icon, click on it and then open your Excel file. And once the Excel file is opened, it should look like this. Click on Enable Editing. And in this game, we have 6 teams and each team has $100. Click here and then drag it right down corner, black cross, drag it. And you can play with this. Like if you can click on dollar symbol, you can increase and decrease decimals by clicking on these buttons. And now each team, let's say, makes a decision about how much to invest. Let's say first team says $10, $30, $50, 70, 80, and 100. Now I need to calculate the profit and loss based on random number. Let's generate a random number in Excel. To do that, we press equal sign, which we'll call a pre-built functions in Excel, and I will type rand, which is a rand function, generates a number between 0 and 1. And as you can see here, every time I press function F9, this number does change. And I would like to convert this number between 0 and 1 to make money or lose money. To do that, I will use the if statement. If this number that's generated is greater than 0.5, then we make profit. Otherwise, we lose half of what we make. Okay? Half of what we invested. Excuse me. So if I press enter, now when I do function F4, this number does get regenerated every single time. Okay, perfect. Now I would like to calculate random profit and loss numbers based on this. Let me generate a new random number function F4. Okay, we lost money. I will plug in here negative 0.5. And now I can calculate my loss values based on that, which is going to be invested amount times the random number. So I would like to drag this formula to the right. That's why I want to make sure the red cell is locked in. So I press function F4 to lock this. You can see we lost money and I drag it all the way. So now we can calculate ending balance based on these values. So ending balance is equal to beginning balance plus profit or loss. Enter and click on that cell, right down corner, black cross, drag it all the way. Now the beginning balance for round number 2 should be exactly the same as ending balance of round number 1 and drag it. And I need to ask these teams again how much they want to invest. Let's say first team say $45, $65, $25, $15, $60, and $50. Let's say these are their answers. Now I want to regenerate a random number by pressing function F9. Okay, we made money this time, so I plug in here 1. Now I would like to calculate profit loss again. But as you can see, I want this blue cell when I copy it down to follow me here. That's perfectly fine. However, the red cell, I want it to also follow me from here to here. Since we locked the number, that won't happen. So what I need to do is update this formula by deleting this dollar sign so that this formula can, when I drag it down or copy down, this red cell will go down with me. Okay, so enter, click on that cell, right down corner, black cross, drag it, and Control C, which is copy, Control V. Okay, perfect. Now ending balance, I can also copy this, Control C, Control V. Actually, what I'm gonna do is generate a new random number and so on. However, before I do that, I wanna copy these formulas right here, Control C, and highlight this area right here and then Control V. Okay, and obviously the companies need to make new decisions, so I highlight this, press highlight this yellow area, press delete button, highlight this yellow area, please press delete button, highlight this yellow area, press delete button. Perfect. So now I will ask companies to make decisions again, or teams, I should say. Let's say first team says $70, $150, 100, 40, 30, and 50. Now I would like to generate a new random number by pressing function F9. Okay, we make money again. So you can see these teams are making money. So I have to ask the same question again, how much you want to invest. Let's say 210, 300, 100, 120, 75, and 150. Right. Function F9, we make money again. That work for these companies. And again, teams are given their investment amounts. I said 420, 300, 300, 240, $25, and let's say 100. Let's regenerate a random number by pressing function F9. Okay, this was a lucky day. We got another one. So people, as you can see, all end up with positive balance because people start with $100 and winner team, in this case, team number two with $900. That's it for this video. Until next video, enjoy.